Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out Chroma, and what this allows you to do is have custom Chrome tabs for all of your applications. Now at the moment on many apps, when you click a link it brings up the open with box, then you click on your browser, probably Chrome, and it takes you out of your application into Chrome, then starts loading the tab. So it takes you out of your original context and it's not the fastest way. Now you'll also notice in some apps on Android, you'll click the link and it'll open up a watered down web browser for fast access, which is better, but it lacks features of the full Chrome app. And for both of these issues, this is where Chroma comes in. So we'll open up Pushbillet here. I've got Chroma already set up on my device. Normally when I press this link, like I said, it'll open up the open with box and I'll have to leave the app and go into Chrome. But with Chroma, you now have a custom Chrome tab that slides in, and this is essentially a small instance of Chrome. So most of the time it's going to be faster than the watered down versions of browsers, and it also gives you access to things like Chrome's data saver, access to save passwords, autofill information, and benefits from the security enhancements of Chrome. And you can see if you press back, boom, you're straight into the application. You've never left your original application, you're still in the original context. So it's much quicker than having to say load up the full version of Chrome. And yes, this will work with all your applications on your device. So you can see I'm in Telegram here, I open the link and boom, it's straight into that custom tab. Normally it would have had to open the full Chrome browser and I'd leave my application, but with this, you can just press back and you're straight back into your conversation on Telegram or whichever application you're in. So yeah, and this is one of those applications that once you've used, it feels like this is how it was always meant to be. So that's really high praise right there. In terms of settings here, you do have a few options. Of course, I have Chroma set as my default browser, so I don't have the open with window, otherwise that kind of slows things down. But you don't have to use Chrome as the provider for the custom links. So probably most of the time you will, but if you do have a different browser that you prefer, you can choose that. And by the way, guys, if you haven't tried RS Browser, it's pretty sweet. It's made for Snapdragon devices and it's very fast. It has a night mode, and I've got to say I've been really impressed. So go ahead and go to the Play Store, download that RS Browser and give it a shot. We can actually try it right here. So if we click the RS Browser here, it's now going to use links, the custom tabs from that. So if we go back into Telegram, we'll open the link. It should open in night mode because I think that's what I had it set to, and yet you can see there the tab is in night mode. You've got some other options here like warm up browser, so it kind of keeps a little bit of in memory so it's even faster, and you can even prefetch the content, so it scans the page of what you're on and it finds links and it loads them up in the background. I don't have that on because I probably go to loads of links and I don't want all those links loading up. You do have kind of chat heads or web heads they're called. If we turn this on, I can show you it. If we press the link, you can see a little head appears here and you can basically just click that when you want to. You can come back to it later if you want and then it'll load up the tab. So that's something you can have if you'd like that feature. I don't think I'm going to use that. I probably want, if I click on a link, I'm going to want it straight away, so I'm going to turn that off. And you have some personalization stuff here as well. So yeah, Chroma really, it speaks for itself. It does the job, it does really well. Like I said, once you've got it installed, you're going to love it. It feels like how it's meant to be in the first place. So yeah, definitely give this a shot, guys. Peace out.